Here's Boo Boo playing Call of Duty 5 World at War. Can't really see it clearly. Asia on the computer. And as always, Mason.
Well, Merry Christmas.
And we got P.
Here's Bishan.
Boy.
He's mad.
And this is the leftover food.
What did you say?
Yeah. Oh, those. And check out the cake I made. Yeah. So, cookie cake. There's Jake. And we're going upstairs. Fergus in there sleeping. And we got Jimmy playing Call of Duty 4 or 5. And there's Anna. Huh? Now we're going downstairs. And there's
One that take picture over here.
yeah. Kabuha mo tika po ito.
Yeah, that's why I said go upstairs. You got it.
I'm going back upstairs. Gosh. And that's it, because I'm going to take a picture. Bye now.